This recipe is so easy. So I've already melted a half a cup of butter and placed it in the Ooni cast iron skillet and put it in the oven just to melt. I'm going to pour it into this cast iron skillet. And I'm going to add the blueberries. And the Breville actually comes with this little tray, which makes it really handy. Okay, set at 350. I preheated the oven, and I'm going to set it for 30 minutes. This is a Breville Smart Oven Pro, and we really love it. We took it with us on our RV trip to Montana, and we used it to cook some frozen food, dinners. We've made, you can make chicken in it. We've made tater tots and fish sticks, and it makes great toast. So it's really, really handy. And it has a convection oven, a convection function, as well as a regular oven. And it has a variety of functions. It can broil, bake, it even can slow cook. And so it's just a super oven, and it only takes 3 minutes to come to temperature, as opposed to a regular oven, which takes about 12 minutes to reach 350. Well, our cobbler's ready. We've taken it out of our Breville toaster oven, and we let it cool on a wire rack. I think it's great to still serve it warm, and I know it's cool enough when I can put my hands on that on the Ooni skillet. So I'm going to take a little piece. And this pairs really well with vanilla ice cream and or whipped cream. So now I'm going to have a little taste. That's really good.